How to uninstall Instabridge app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So there are basically two ways to uninstall the application of Instabridge on Android. The first method is go to the Play Store application and search for the application on the device. Then tap on the profile or the application over here and directly go to the uninstall application or the option available over here. So as you tap on uninstall, the app will be uninstalled from your Android. Next is you can just make a long press on the Instabridge application and then tap on app info. And as you tap on app info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of uninstall at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on uninstall and it will remove all the app data. So tap on OK and there you go. The app has been uninstalled. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.